Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. How to learn English practice easily. Many people think English is difficult, but the truth is English becomes easy when you practice daily with the right method. If you give only 15 to 20 minutes every day, you can improve your English step by step. First, start speaking simple sentences every day. Do not wait for perfect grammar, just speak small sentences like I am happy, I am going to market, I like tea. Daily speaking builds confidence. Second, listen to English every day. You can watch English videos, songs, news, or short stories. Listening helps you understand pronunciation and sentences style. Third, read English books, newspaper, or short articles. When you read, you learn new words and sentences patterns. Keep a notebook and write new words daily. Fifth, practice writing. Write 5 simple sentences about your daily. For example, today I wake up early, I went to work, I eat breakfast. This habit improves grammar and thinking in English. Fifth, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the beginning. Learn, correct, and continue. Most important thing is consistency. Practice a little every day. Do not stop after 2 days. If you continue for 1 month, you will see a big difference. So, friends, start today and believe in yourself. You can learn English. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.